I've got only 2 questions to ask Baba. Not many questions. Because what as Baba says, whatever questions we have, we receive the answer from you. So it's just that this one question, after I came back home, it was late because I'm working. I leave the house about 11:30. I come home, I reach home about 7 something. So we follow North America Purnima Mother. Purnima's mother Sangathan, they follow American time. It starts about 3 to 4. Malaysia we will start at 6. So by the time I come, I only will have 15 minutes. I can hear Baba's Murli.
Is it in the morning?
For America, it's morning. For us, evening.
Evening 6.
So I think it's about 12 hours different, America and Malaysia.
So you come back home at 7:30?
I come back home about 7:05, 7:10.
So the rest of the...
it's only about 20 minutes. So sometimes I really don't understand. So Baba says that he says that all PBKs are sick souls, even if they are in their foreign countries. So he says they will leave the body there. They leave the body in the foreign countries because I remembered once I read, I don't know whether I read or somebody told me that Shiv Baba, he will give face to face the real knowledge, Dishti and the real knowledge. So if he's giving face to face the Dishti and knowledge means, then how can the sick souls die in a foreign country? Is it not that we meet together and we die together?
बाबा उनका कहना है कि पहले तो उनको ज्यादा प्रश्न नहीं है क्योंकि बाबा ने तो बता दिया जो भी प्रश्न है उनका समाधान मिलता जाएगा. तो इसलिए उनको केवल 2 ही प्रश्न है. पहला तो एक प्रश्न है कि उनका ऑफिस के वर्किंग टाइम के कारण वो सुबह मलेशिया का संगठन नहीं अटेंड कर सकती है, पर नॉर्थ अमेरिका का जो पूर्णिमा संगठन है वो अटेंड करती है और वो भी पूरा नहीं कर पाती है, केवल 15 मिनट या 20 मिनट लास्ट में अटेंड कर पाती है. परंतु उन्होंने एक बात सुना है कि जैसे फॉरेन कंट्रीज में अभी विदेश में जो भी है वहाँ ही शरीर छोड़ेंगे, ऐसा उन्होंने सुना है. तो पर उन्होंने ये भी सुना जो विदेश में अभी जो भी PBKs है उधर ही शरीर छोड़ेंगे. बाबा is saying
बाबा ने कब बोला ऐसा?
Baba is saying, when did Baba say that, and is it why do you think it is necessary that those who live in the foreign countries has to leave the body there only?
Because I heard the Murli in such a way, sister.
You heard the Murli?
Because I came back home, that is how I got to read. Because we have got translation, Hindi and English is down. So I read that the sick soul in the foreign, staying in the foreign countries, we will leave our body there. So I want to ask Baba.
You listened in the Murli?
I listened the last part. Baba was saying the last part, translation now.
उन्होंने Murli में ही सुना है, translation में last में सुना है. Baba is denying that it cannot be like that. Maybe the context of understanding may be different. You can check that Murli again, or you think that.
कोई जरूरी नहीं कि जो विदेश में है विदेश में ही शरीर छोड़ेंगे, यहाँ भी इंडिया आकर के शरीर छोड़ सकते हैं. कोई छोड़ भी सकते हैं, कोई कंपल्सरी नहीं है.
Baba is saying it is not compulsory. Some may come to India and leave the body, and some may leave. It's not compulsory. That's what Baba is saying. So probably the context might be something different, or you can check that again. But Baba is saying it is not compulsory.
It's not compulsory. So maybe the sick souls also can leave their body in foreign countries.
Yes, Baba is saying they can come to India and they can leave.
Even in foreign countries also they can leave. So, but then Baba said, at last you will see, you will give Dishti the last minute, not the last minute, sister, when everything.
He will make you sit on your eyes. Right?
No, he said that all the children will come and meet together. Then his teaching. So if the how does it?
बाबा मैंने लास्ट में ये भी बताते हैं ना कि सभी एक जगह आएंगे, फिर बाबा नायरों मतलब ऐसा दृष्टि देंगे कि बहुत प्यारी दृष्टि जो नायरों पे बिठा के लेके जाएंगे, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. तो वो कैसे होगा फिर अगर विदेश में वो लोग रहेंगे तो सब मिलेंगे.
अभी तो सब दुनिया छोटी होती जा रही है. स्काइप से तो कहीं बैठे बैठे दृष्टि ले सकते हैं.
Baba is saying now the whole world is becoming smaller, like Skype. Baba is mentioning about the Skype. So through Skype you can take drishti wherever you may be. So
yes, sister, another question is just that the moon on the head, on his Shankar seat. So he always said those he loves so much he'll put on his head.
Yes.
So another person he loves so much is Ganga, correct? He ties Ganga his name at his head because he's worried when Ganga goes down, water is going. So another meaning of water is knowledge.
Yes.
Is knowledge. So Parvati is sitting beside him. So the Ganga is a person who he loves very much because I read in one of them only that those who he loves he puts on his head.
Yes,
So
yes.
one more person is the Ganga. So is it possible to ask who is that person?
Who is that person? Okay. बाबा उनका कहना है कि एक तो शंकर के मस्तक पर चंद्रमा दिखाते हैं ना, तो बाबा ने ये भी बताया ना, जिनको बहुत प्यार करते हैं तो सर पर चढ़ाते हैं, पर उसके आगे भी गंगा भी है ना, तो मना शंकर के मस्तक पर गंगा भी दिखाते हैं। और उन्होंने ये भी सुना है कि बाबा ने कहा है गंगा को बहुत मना, गंगा मना ज्ञान जल रही, मना उनके अंदर जो ज्ञान के कारण उनको ऊपर सर के ऊपर चढ़ाया, बहुत प्यार करते हैं, और पार्वती को बाजू में बिठाया। तो उनका कहना है, उनका पूछना है कि मतलब वो जान सकती है कि वो आत्मा कौन है गंगा?
बाबा ने तो बोल दिया है, गंगा कहाँ से निकली, गंगा इलाहाबाद से निकली या कानपुर से निकली। अब कानपुर तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं बोलने का, इलाहाबाद में तो बड़ा मेला होता है, इसलिए बोल दिया है कि इलाहाबाद से निकली। लेकिन कानपुर से क्यों न बोल दिया? इसका मतलब है कानपुर में एडवांस ज्ञान जब शुरू हुआ तो कोई पहली कन्या निकली थी जो समझदार थी, बड़ी थी। ये जो जगदम्बा है तो वो तो छोटी बच्ची थी, इसलिए वो ज्यादा गहराई से ज्ञान को नहीं समझ सकती थी। तो वो कानपुर वाली कन्या ने पहले ज्ञान गहराई से समझा, उसी की बात कर रहे हैं।
So Baba is saying that Baba has given a hint about that soul, the Ganga who is from where she belongs, that soul belongs. Baba asked in the Murli, from where did the Ganga come?
उन्होंने अव्यक्तवाणी
Avyaktvani. He asked from where did Ganga come, from Allahabad or from Kanpur. So first of all, there is no question to ask from Kanpur because everybody knows that in Allahabad only there is a fair of all the Ganges and ocean. So there is no question to ask or mention the name of Kanpur. But why did in Avyaktvani the name of Kanpur was mentioned? Because Baba is saying the soul of Ganga who belongs, who Ganga's role, she has come from Kanpur. Like in advanced knowledge, she is the first soul who came into knowledge, and at that time she was matured and she was very intelligent. Compared with the Jagdamba, the soul of Jagdamba, she came in the knowledge at the very young stage, like she was a child actually, 9 years. But at that time Ganga was matured and she was very intelligent. So because of that, it was asked from where Ganga came. So that soul comes from the Kanpur area. So Baba has given a hint that she is the one coming from Kanpur. But Baba also mentions like if someone wants asks about any part, Baba always says that in Avyaktvani, Baba says right, Baba never mentions or never writes anybody's name on the board or does not announce anybody. Baba also say they will themselves reveal their part through their actions, through their behavior. They themselves will reveal their own part. So that is why Baba gives hint but does not mention the name or full information. We can, through the knowledge, we can recognize.
बाबा, दुनिया में करोड़ों लोग हैं, हमको क्यों आप चुना सिलेक्ट?
जो आत्माएं द्वापर युग से शुरुआत से ही भारतवासी थे सत्युग त्रेता में, और जैसे ही द्वापर युग शुरू हुआ तो दूसरे धर्म के धर्म पिताएं आने लगे, तो उन्होंने जो बातें सुनाई, नई आत्माएं थी, उनकी बातों के प्रभाव में ये भारतवासी आने लगे और कन्वर्ट होने लगे। तो कुछ आत्माएं तो आधार मूर्त हैं जो कन्वर्ट हो गई, जिनमें प्रवेश करते थे वो आत्माएं, और कुछ आत्माएं उनकी बीज रूप हैं, जो बीज हैं वो एडवांस में आ गए।
So Baba is saying from the corporate, she has like why he chose us. So Baba is saying from the copper age, when the different religious souls, different religious fathers started coming, and they started preaching their own, and people started getting converted into different religions. And in that process, there are some souls who are root souls, the Adharmurti, root souls. So they definitely get converted because the souls coming from up above, like Supreme Abode, they will take the base of them, the body. They have to take their body for entering from there. So they will definitely get converted. But there are some other souls who are seed souls. They will not get converted. So we are seed souls. That is why we didn't get converted. So that is why we were able to recognize Baba.
And then sister, one more thing is take birth and converted is two different things, right?
What's
Taking birth
in a different religion and getting converted. Yes.
So it's just let's say, so if the more we take birth in this Hinduism, so like being a Hindu, and taking less birth in other religion, so it is how that one take birth more in this Hindu religion compared to other religion.
So what is the basis?
What is the basis?
So बाबा उनका कहना है कि उनको ये भी पता है कि कन्वर्ट होना अलग बात है और दूसरे धर्म में जन्म लेना अलग बात है,
परंतु बीज रूप आत्माएं जन्म लेती है, कन्वर्ट नहीं होती उसी जन्म में, और जो आधार मूर्त जड़ें हैं वो उसी जन्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है.
They say the seed souls, they don't get converted, but the root souls, they get converted and in the same birth. So उनका प्रश्न ये है फिर
आधार मूर्त माने माता और बीज रूप माने पिता.
Root souls means mother and seed spawn souls means father. तो फिर उनका प्रश्न है फिर कोई आत्मा बहुत जन्म हिंदू धर्म में लेना और कुछ
हिंदू धर्म था ही नहीं उस समय, तो देवी देवता सनातन धर्म था सत्युग त्रेता में. फिर जो ब्रह्मा की गोद में पले हैं और धर्म के आधार मूर्त, वो आत्माएं जो हैं वो कहती हैं कि हम हिंदू हैं, अभी भी कह रही है. हम हिंग माने हिंसा, दू माने दूते, हम हिंसा को दूर करने वाले हैं, और ये एडवांस पार्टी वाले ये हिंसा को बढ़ाने वाले हैं, काम विकार की हिंसा को.
Baba is saying, first of all, Hindu, there is no religion called Hindu, right?
Yeah.
The Devi Devata religion, Adi Sanatan Devi, that was the religion. But Baba is saying the souls who take the sustenance in the Brahma Baba's lap, they are not mouth-born children, but they are lap-born. All the different religions, they say that we are Hindu. Hinsa. Hinsa means violence. Do means do. Means we are the ones who remove violence. So that's what they think. And they also say that the PBK, the advanced knowledge, are the ones who increase this violence.
काम विकार की हिंसा को बढ़ाने वाले हैं.
PBK are the ones who increase the vice of lust. They are the ones who increase the vice of lust. But Baba says there is no Hindu religion as such.
So in other words, all his PBK, the seed souls, they don't convert. I mean, they don't even take birth in other religion.
PBK souls बीज रूप आत्माएं दूसरे धर्म में जन्म भी नहीं लेती क्या?
दूसरे धर्म में जन्म लेंगी जाके, क्योंकि जैसे सिद्धार्थ है, बुद्ध ने प्रवेश किया, सिद्धार्थ आधार मूर्त है, वो कन्वर्ट हो गया, माता है. ऊपर का पिता उसमें प्रवेश हुआ, वो माता सिद्धार्थ, वो कन्वर्ट हो गया. लेकिन विदेशों में जाकर भी उसने ढेर सारे बौद्धि कन्वर्ट कर दिए, ढेर सारे बौद्धि बना दिए. एक लेक्चर में 60 हजार को बौद्धि बनाया. तो ये शोहरत जो है दुनिया में फैल गई. और इंडिया में जो सिद्धार्थ के माता पिता थे और उनके बाबा थे ग्रैंडफादर, उनके कानों में भी ये आवाज आई, तो उनको बड़ा फख्र होने लगा, हमारा बच्चा हमारे खून का कितनी शोहरत कमा रहा है. तो वो दिल उनका उस तरफ जाने लगा, सिद्धार्थ की तरफ. वो जो दिल उस तरफ जाने लगा, वो आकर्षण हो गया, लगाव हो गया. वो ही लगाव जा करके अगले जन्म में बौद्ध धर्म में जन्म ले देता है.
So Baba is saying it is not the seed form souls will it is not necessary that they don't take birth in other religions. They do. For example, Baba has given an example of the Buddhist religion. Siddhartha was a root form soul. So the religious father Buddha, he entered in him. So he definitely got converted in the same birth. So once he got converted, and but the seed form souls, his father, they are seed form souls, right? They didn't get converted in the same birth. But what happened in the same birth, when Siddhartha went into foreign land and started spreading the Buddha religion so much, he spread it so much that in one lecture he used to get converted 60 to 70,000 people into God. So this fame of Buddha, Siddhartha reached his parents and grandfather. They heard about this and they started feeling proud about his son and grandson, that their blood and his son and his grandson started receiving so much fame. So then their heart went towards him. This heart started going towards him, like attachment. So because of this attachment, they in the next birth they take birth in the Buddha religion, Buddhist religion. That's what. But they don't get converted in the same religion, in the same birth. But because of the attachment, the son and the grandson, they take birth in the next year.
जैसे बौद्ध धर्म के लिए हुआ ऐसे ही दूसरे धर्मों के लिए हुआ.
Just as the same thing happened for the religion of Buddha, same thing will happen in the different religions also.